Hello everyone, this is Maureen Kanti. You can call me MK. Let's manifest or try to manifest the process where will imagination take you for where you are there, how you feel after you achieve the things. All right? Visualize, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine, imagine the alert has came to your mobile. 50 crore rupees credited to bank account. This is for the millionaire, billionaire who want fast money with action also. With that action, it won't come, right? Then give the gratitude first. Tell the universe, to mom, dad. Thank you, mom. Thank you, mom. Thank you, dad. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you, money. Thank you for each and every time supporting. Guys, so let us game. You checked, you log into your digital bank account and say that money has been utilized. If you log into the mobile banking and your bank account, it is created, it's showing that 50 crore rupees created to your bank account. Hooray! Say this. Hooray with all the excitement. Thank you, God. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, money. For all time, you made it. And today also, I'm so happy and grateful now that I received a 50 crore rupees into my bank account. And the affirmation is, I'm so happy and grateful now that 50 crore rupees flows to me easily, effortlessly, and quickly. I'm so happy and grateful now that 50 crores rupees flows to me easily, effortlessly, and quickly. Thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. For this, I do some savings. I get married. I purchase a car. Just imagine. So how your wedding has to be there. All their family members, friends will be there. Imagine that. Visualize that. And what color shirt you wear. What kind of blazer. All right. And how your bride or maid, groom will be there. Imagine if you're Indian, there will be a lot of jewelries on your partner. Example, I got here. The groom is in cream color blazer, the white shirt, and the bride with the red color style, but gorgeous, and you're paying and you're celebrating, you're nodding the mangalsutra, your puja is done, then your friends and family are cheering you, hooray! Finally got the wedding! Wow! Then imagine, visualize the people are going for the food, they're enjoying the food, they come to a stage, take a snap of with you, kit. The photographs down, feel that one, feel the smell of the flowers, feel the air, AC is there, cold or hot air. Then they giving you the gift. Enjoy the gift. Take the gift with the gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then your people will move to the food counter. They have the food. Then they enjoy. They went. For example, you're a guy, like 6 feet, 5'11" to 6, and your partner grows fast, 5'5", 5'4", right? With a good physique, rich, healthy, wealthy girl. Imagine, right? You enjoy yourself. Now, if a billionaire, you got this one, what you will do? Again, example, 50 crores split to your bank account. Visualize the alert has been to your mobile bank. Then you log into mobile banking. Your amount is related to bank account. You say, hooray, yes, I got it. Then we go and see this net banking. You pay clear all your debt. Send amount to your friends, family, whichever you want to give it, right? Then go to the showroom. Example, manifestors 6. The solar card is there. Pick test drive. Then you say that, no, I want to purchase now. Then do the fund transfer, some 16 lakhs. Tick, 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 tick. Done. Then say that tomorrow I want it with the number of 0555. I got that one, 0555. Any number, right? To fill that one. Press the car, go, open the door, fill the button, go and sit it, wear a seatbelt, smell the air, smell of the car seat, the interior smell, put on the starter, giz giz, feel that one, entire body, then put it first gear, close the door, up, and close the windows, zzz, then take off, put it first gear with the clutch on the back, and put it, and boom, 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 boom. Yes. Then put it on a saving transfer, then cash it, do some charities. Wow. Right? Thank you. Thank you, mom. Thank you, dad. Thank you. Thank you, Raj. Thank you, money. Thank you.